Introducing the Dassault Rafale, a French masterpiece in the world of fighter jets. Designed and manufactured by Dassault Aviation, the Rafale is a multirole aircraft capable of carrying out various missions. With its advanced avionics and powerful engine, the Rafale offers unmatched performance and agility in the skies. Equipped with a wide range of weapon systems, the Rafale is a force to be reckoned with in air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. Its delta wing design and canard configuration provide superb aerodynamics, enhancing its maneuverability. The Rafale is powered by two Snecma M88 engines, delivering exceptional speed and acceleration. Its advanced radar systems and electronic warfare capabilities give it a significant advantage in any mission. The Rafale's superior range and endurance make it an ideal choice for long-range missions and aerial patrols. Its state-of-the-art cockpit and heads-up display provide the pilot with unmatched situational awareness and control. The Rafale's advanced fly-by-wire technology ensures precise handling and stability, even during high-stress maneuvers.